Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
We are fighting for our nation. We want to take it fighting for our freedom. Yes, let's leave our brother. We are fighting for the nation. We are freedom fighters. We are fighting for our rights. Let's give us our rights. Let's give us our rights. Let's leave our brothers. Our families and our relatives, and till today, for the past 7 days, our relatives remain DSS at the headquarters. We went to the headquarters today, and the headquarters attempted to arrest me. They use security officers. They use security officers to jail us. But I want to put it to you. Because I believe you are parents, sir. You are parents. If you have a young person in detention and you attempt to protest such, and such a church uses security officers to intimidate you, how do you feel? And that's why we have come here, and people are also doing this across Dunamis branches to vent our anger against the Dunamis church, arresting our church member, arresting Christians, fellow Christians who came to the church to express themselves. As much as I know, and you would agree with me that people have a right to protest. People have a right to express themselves.
That you have trouble around you.
Don't respect God, they
not a place.
Now we are doing this across all the Dunamis branches. So this is a medium for us to express ourselves and then send a message through their branch to the GO, to Pastor Paul NHA, to immediately swing into action and ensure that our colleagues, our friends and families are released from detention. If not, next Sunday we are going to continue doing this across all Dunamis, Dunamis branch. Greatest Nigerian people! Greatest Nigerian people! What do we want? Freedom! What do we want? Free Larry! Free Harry!